Robins are one of my favorite birds. They are the first sign of spring, and when I see a robin, I know spring is not far off. Robins are thrushes. This is a group of songbirds that are familiar, such as bluebirds. Male robins have a rusty orange breast and white belly, and females are similar but duller in color. Robins are insectivores and eat a variety of insects and worms and other invertebrates. In fall and winter, they also eat fruits and berries. While I've seen robins under the bird feeder, I have never seen a robin on the bird feeder. And my wife puts out dry cat food for stray cats, which the robins especially enjoy. And robins are migratory birds, meaning that they travel long distances to breed and winter. Robins in North America typically breed in the northern part of their range and winter in the southern part. Robins are cavity nesters and often build nests in trees and holes in buildings and even on ledges. Their nests are made of twigs and leaves and grass and lined with mud and soft materials. When the chicks hatch, they are helpless and require parental care for guidance. I have seen robins build nests in our eaves right at the corner of the house. And robins are an important part of the North American ecosystem. They help control insect populations and disperse seeds through their droppings.